Aave especially is a low-position cryptographic money as of now estimated at $55.98 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $812,783,204 in a genuinely enormous manner. Over the precise past by and large couple of years, cryptographic forms of money, including Aave, laid out an essentially solid traction in the worldwide monetary world and by and large are currently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, items, and unfamiliar monetary standards, forex, in a kind of significant way. A few institutional financial backers even for the most part consider crypto as a proficient supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy, which sort of is very huge. Retail financial backers and brokers sort of are in every practical sense keen on digital currencies essentially, for example, Aave since this fundamentally is ostensibly the most open monetary market, where various resources really have the fundamentally potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a somewhat genuinely brief timeframe, which is genuinely huge. These profits sort of are especially out of reach in fundamentally different business sectors, which in a real sense is the motivation behind why most exceptionally moderate financial backers generally are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with cryptographic forms of money like Aave, while the groundbreaking ones dedicate a huge piece of their sort of cash flow to this quickly creating resource class, which especially is genuinely critical. At this in every way that really matters, specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Aave to the level at $55.98 where it at present sits, or so they in every practical sense thought. As currently referenced, Aave truly is a low-position cryptographic money, since it as of now possesses the 44th spot in worldwide digital currency rankings, the by and large metric that in a real not entirely settled by duplicating the very current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. On account of Aave, the market capitalization really remains at $812,783,204. The significance of this boundary will generally be for the most part made sense of later, in spite of mainstream thinking. Our cost expectation calculation is planned in exceptionally such a manner that it ceaselessly screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to generally give our supporters the most dependable data on the sort of present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to sufficiently sort of survey the condition of their portfolio and generally choose whether or not it actually needs to in every practical sense be reconfigured amazingly. Our calculation likewise really focuses on authentic information, which explicitly is fundamental for the right assessment of both especially current and expected market structure and the appraisal of its fundamentally present and future course, or so they basically thought. Beneath you will in every practical sense find truly key passages of this verifiable information with the goal that you also could generally have a comprehension of where the Aave market is going in a significant manner. Recently, on August 18, Aave in a real sense was esteemed at $55.56 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Truly recollect that cryptographic forms of money by and large are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. in an unpretentious manner. The cost change, rate-wise, over the expressed period in every practical sense added up to 0.02% in an unobtrusive manner. 7 days prior, on August 12, Aave generally was exchanged at $65.92 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that especially near its extremely present position. On July 19, which especially was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged Aave at $71.79. The cost level that generally is at the distance of 22.02% from where it right now stands, showing how 7 days prior, on August 12, Aave for the most part was exchanged at $65.92 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that for the most part near its especially present situation in an especially huge manner. The cost of Aave and the readings of CVIX sort of are not by any means the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost expectations, which certainly is very huge. Market capitalization really is another significant especially metric that explicitly assists traders with basically deciding the fame of the digital currency being referred to, as well as its future possibilities in a sort of significant manner. It's additionally used to sort of evaluate the offer that Aave in a real sense holds inside the essentially whole digital money market, which most certainly is very huge. The recipe for the estimation of market capitalization truly is somewhat basic. The circling supply of the money being referred to sort of is duplicated by its certainly current cost in a genuinely significant manner. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of Aave most certainly remains at $812,783,204. Enough to name it the 44th most certainly the biggest coin on the digital money market in an unpretentious manner. Recently, on August 18, the market capitalization of Aave generally remained at $806,765,815 in a very significant manner. 7 days prior, on August 12, the capitalization of Aave most certainly was $956,683,440 in an unobtrusive manner. A month prior, on July 19, how much most certainly capital streaming around this sort of specific market essentially added up to $1,039,962,847 in a significant manner. Most digital money financial backers truly stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a sort of specific digital money and its capacity to endure disturbances, which in every practical sense are the genuinely normal event on this profoundly unpredictable market. So 7 days prior, on August 12, Aave was exchanged at $65.92 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that basically near its kind of present situation in an unpretentious manner. The in every practical sense greatest stockpile of Aave basically is 16,000,000 Aave. The especially all-out supply of Aave right now certainly remains at 16,000,000 coins, which shows that underneath you will generally find exceptionally key passages of this verifiable information. So you also could basically have a comprehension of where the Aave market truly is going. The coursing supply of the digital money under audit truly is 14,520,194 Aave, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. This Aave cost expectation wouldn't really be most certainly complete without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it's the certainly metric utilized by practically all digital money brokers to sort of affirm the strength of the pattern and the feasibility of a market move in a truly significant manner. For example, assuming that the breakout to the potential gain explicitly is happening on the rear of the fundamentally low exchanging volume, there generally is, an all things considered, high likelihood that this move essentially is impractical and would really bring about a bullish snare, showing how yesterday, on August 18, Aave in a real sense was esteemed at $55.56 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Especially recollect that digital currencies are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. Subsequently, it's vital to basically break down the past and the extremely current exchanging volume of Aave requests to comprehend whether this market has a hidden strength, or so they by and large thought.